Hello dear children, welcome to my channel MSP Educator. Let's start children. We are learning Standard 6 General Science lesson number 2 Plants Structure and Function. Okay. So in this lesson we are going to learn the structure of the plant and whatever functions of the parts of the plants in detail. The parts of the plants are only making the structure of the plant. Understand? And you all know what are the parts of the plants. So children, the root, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits are the parts of the plant, and the parts only forming the structure of the plant, right? And we will see the function of each part in detail in this lesson. Understood? So let's recall. First question is given to you is what helps us to easily identify the plants around us? Yes. And second question is given is which are the various parts of the plants? So we will see the various parts of the plants first. The root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. of different plants are different. Yes, as we can see the variety of plants on our earth, and the parts of each plant is differ from the other plant, right? In means of their root, stem, leaves, fruits and flowers, right? So these are the parts of the plants, and by studying these parts we can identify the plants around us. Understand? मतलब जब हम इन पार्ट्स में का जो डिफरेंस हमें दिखाई देता है उससे हम उस प्लांट को आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं, पहचान सकते हैं. ओके, लेट्स नाउ एक्वेंट ourselves with these plant organs in greater detail. अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ये जो प्लांट्स के ऑर्गन्स है या फिर हम पार्ट्स बोलेंगे उनको, उनका हम डिटेल स्टडी करने वाले हैं. ओके, नाउ सी हियर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we are going to learn about the root. In that you have given experiments to do, so you must try to try these experiments at your home. Okay, so that you will better understand about the roots and its functions. Okay, so here first experiment is given to you is to keep a moistened ball of a crumbled paper in a conical flask. So place some soaked moth beans or gram seeds in a flask between the paper and the glass wall. Means what you have to do, you have to take a paper and make it moisten with water and crumble it and make a ball of it. Yes, and put it in a conical flask. You know conical flask, cone shaped flask is called as conical flask. Okay, now take a soaked moth bean or gram seed. Yes, and you have to put it in between the paper and the glass wall so that you can observe it clearly. Observe and note the changes in the seeds in 2 or 3 days. आपको ये जो सीड है इसको 2 या 3 दिन तक ऑब्जर्व करना है. So what happened with that seed you are going to observe. So here see a picture or figure number 2.1. It is given of formation of root. So this is a seed, and from this seed a part is grown above the soil and a part is grown towards the soil, means in the soil. Okay, so the part which is growing in the soil is called as radicle, and the part which is growing above the soil is called as plumule. That only is given here, the definitions of radicle and plumule. The part that grows from inside the seed towards the soil is called a radicle. मतलब जो part seed के अंदर से है जमीन की तरफ बढ़ता है उसको क्या बोलेंगे, रेडिकल. एंड द पार्ट दैट ग्रोज अबव द सॉइल इज कॉल्ड प्लूमूल. ओके, और जो पार्ट सीड के अंदर से ग्रो होके सॉइल के ऊपर बढ़ता है उसको हम प्लूमूल बोलेंगे. ओके, The root that forms from the radicle grows into the ground. The root that forms from the radicle. Radicle से जो root बनता है and it grows into the ground. Okay? Radical part से root बनता है. Understand? The root is thick near the ground. और ground के पास वो कैसा होता है? थिक होता है, मतलब मोटा सा होता है. And gradually tapers to a pointed end. और नीचे नीचे जाएगा, वैसे वैसे वो टैपर होते जाएगा, टोकदार होते जाएगा. Yes? This part of a plant growing below the soil for support is called root. And this part of the plant which is below the soil and gives support to the plant is called as root. Understood, children? Now see, we are learning taproot, about the taproot and about the fibrous root. Okay? So first of all, we will see about the taproot. Means root is having types. So from that we are going to see first of all about the taproot. Taproot क्या होता है वो हम अभी देखने वाले हैं. Roots of some plants produce secondary roots that grows obliquely and spread far and wide in the soil. Means see this, this is the main part of the root, that is called as primary root. And from this primary root, secondary roots are developing and they are going or spread far and wide in the soil, and they are growing obliquely, means they are growing slantingly. And because of that, what will happen? They give support to the plant. This type of root is called as taproot. Okay? And roots bear hair-like processes near the root tips. हर रूट के टिप के पास आपको हेयर लाइक प्रोसेसेस या हेयर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर आपको दिखाई पड़ेगा, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? रूट हेयर. ओके? दिस टिप इज कवर, सॉरी, द रूट टिप इज डेलिकेट. ये जो रूट का टिप होता है, हर वट एवर सेकेंडरी रूट्स होते हैं, उनका जो टिप होता है, इट इज़ वेरी डेलिकेट, बहुत ही वो नाजुक होता है. दिस इज द रीजन ऑफ द ग्रोथ ऑफ द रूट. और ये जो टिप होता है रूट का, दैट इज ओनली द ग्रोइंग पार्ट. अंडरस्टैंड? द टिप इज कवर्ड बाय लाइक कैप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर कॉल्ड रूट कैप. और हर टिप जो होता है वो कवर होता है किससे? एक कैप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर से. सी हियर यू कैन सी विथ अ रेडिश कलर, it is a root cap, and this is a root tip. Okay, so it is covered with a cap like structure, it is called as root cap. The root cap protects the root tip from injuries. As the root tip is very delicate, बहुत ही नाजुक होता है, it can damage for any of the purpose. That's why a cap like structure is covered on that, and it protects it from the injuries. Okay, as this is a growing part, it is very essential or important part of the root. Okay, now see, a second experiment is given to you for doing. So take a glass jar and fill 3/4 of it with water. आपको क्या करना है? एक ग्लास जार लेना है इस तरह से और उसको 3/4 तक भरना है. ओके, वो एक पार्ट उसका खाली ही रखना है आपको. Place an onion on the mouth of the jar in such a way that its roots are towards the water. अभी आपको उसके माउथ पर, उस ग्लास जार के माउथ पर आपको क्या करना है? एक ओनियन रखना है. You have to keep that onion as a way that its base part will be inside, okay, in the jar. Its roots are towards the water, like this you have to keep it. Observe the growth of the root for 8 days. अभी आपको ये जो ग्रोथ है रूट्स का वो 8 दिन तक ऑब्जर्व करना है. What you will observe? A thread like or fibrous like roots arising from the stem. This is the stem. Yes, onion is the stem of it, and from stem fiber like or thread like structure you can see, and it is called as fibrous root. As it, the roots are fiber like or thread like, that's why they are called as fibrous roots. And here in the tap root, as the root tapers at the end, that's why it is called as tap root. Okay, Observe the growth of the root for 8 days. Thread-like or fiber-like roots arising from the stem are called fibrous roots. Thus, there are two main types of roots. ये हमने अभी जो पढ़े ये दो मेन टाइप्स है रूट्स के. फर्स्ट इज टैप रूट्स एंड सेकेंड वन इज fibrous roots. Now, dicotyledonous plants have taproots. Dicotyledonous plants means what? The plants which are having two parts in their seed are called as dicotyledonous plants, and such plants are having taproots. Okay, so what is the example of dicotyledonous? So a gram seed is the example of dicotyledonous seed. Okay, while monocotyledonous plant have fibrous roots. So monocotyledonous plants means what? The plants which have only one part in their seed. Okay, so what is the example of this? मेज और कॉर्न. आप लोगों ने कॉर्न खाया है, भुट्टा खाया है, उसका जो सीड होता है वो सिंगल सीड होता है. यस, like these plants are having fibrous roots. Understand? Now third experiment is given to you. In that you are going to sow the seeds of plants like mustard, sorghum means jawar, maize means corn, pea and coriander, etc. These seeds you are going to sow. मस्टर्ड आपको सबको पता है, मोहरी. सोरगम मतलब जवार तो सभी को पता है, कॉर्न. देन पी वाटाना. यस, एंड कोरिएंडर मतलब धनिया का बीज. अंडरस्टैंड? लाइक दिस सीड्स यू आर गोइंग टू सो इन एन अर्दन पॉट. एक मिट्टी के पॉट में आपको ये सीड्स आपको ग्रो करनी है. कल्टिवेट द प्लांट फॉर 8 days. यू आर गोइंग टू वाटर दैट प्लांट्स. यस, and you have to observe these plants for 8 days. Once the plants grow 15 to 20 centimeter high, uproot them carefully while the soil is moist. जब मिट्टी आपकी गीली होगी तब आप उनको उखाड़ना है, uproot करना है. Yes, and put them gently in a large conical flask containing water. और उस प्लांट को कहाँ पर आपको क्या रखना है? एक कोनिकल फ्लास्क जिसमें वाटर है, उसमें आपको उस प्लांट को रखना है. द सॉइल विल गेट वॉश्ड ऑफ विदाउट एनी हार्म टू द रूट्स. एज द कोनिकल फ्लास्क कंटेन्स वाटर, व्हाट विल हैपन? द सॉइल ऑन द रूट्स विल गेट वॉश्ड ऑफ, हाँ, विदाउट एनी हार्म टू द रूट्स. रूट्स को कुछ भी हार्म नहीं होगा और इजीली उसके ऊपर का जो मिट्टी है वो निकल जाएगी. ऑब्जर्व द रूट्स केयरफुली टू सी विच प्लांट्स हैव टैप रूट्स एंड विच वन हैव फाइब्रस रूट्स. अभी आपको उन प्लांट्स के रूट्स को केयरफुली ऑब्जर्व करना है कि कौन से प्लांट को टैप रूट है और कौन से प्लांट को फाइब्रस रूट है. यस, बट यू आर गोइंग टू डू द एक्सपेरिमेंट. ओके, देन ओनली you will understand it clearly. Understood? Till here we have studied about the taproot and fibrous root. Okay, so in the next part we will learn about the next type of root and the some modifications of the roots. Okay, I hope you all understood today's topic very well, and I tried my level best to explain each and every difficult term which is new for you, right? And then also if you are having any doubts about the topic, you can ask me in the comment section below this video. Okay, I will definitely give its answer, and your comments are very important for me, children, and I am reading your comments, and I like your comments also. Yes, so children, thank you for watching this video.